started making one of these dang cooking videos. I make my famous ribs. Call them famous because they're the only one makes them is me. See, I use a fire starter in there. I learned that. Read the box. That's how I learned it. I want to see if it's going to work. So far, pretty hot. Well, first time it didn't work. I'll go like that, see? Now it worked. And then I'm just gonna put some more of this stuff on there and anything like that. Sucker will burn. See? It's burning. Yep, it's burning. Might be able to get it over here too. I never use fire starter. Start a fire. Especially on charcoal. And it's starting. Yeah. Put you on pause.